Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix laggy video playback on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and to fix this issue is very simple. All you have to do basically is first observe in your timeline if you have some red indications, just like this one right here, which means it is not yet rendered and it is most probably laggy, especially if your clip right there is, or you have some heavy effects right there. So you need at least a yellow indication right here or a green indication so that you can be sure that it would be smooth when you play it. But before we solve this red issue problem, let's first dive into the basics on how you can fix the lag. So the first thing is you want to go into the file right here, and then you want to go into preferences. Or maybe you can go into edit and then preferences right here and then go into memory right there. And then from here, you want to go here into the RAM reserved for other applications. So you want to make sure that this is just a little right here. You can make it as little as possible so that the available RAM for your Premiere Pro or for your Adobe products is big, just like this one. In my case, I have 32 gig. So it would be 26 gig for my editing apps right here, or my Premiere Pro, and 6 gig for my other applications. So yeah, you might want to get this even smaller. If you're experiencing lagging, then maybe you can go for 3 and something like that. But in my case, 6 is my sweet spot, so I'm going to stay with that one. And then I want to hit OK. And once you're done with that and you're still experiencing lagging, then one thing that you can change is this one right here. So you can change this into a quarter right here of the quality. So your playback would be would lose some quality, but it would result into smoother playback. And don't worry that this won't affect your export, your final output, because when you export this, it will be exported in full quality right here. You won't lose any quality. It would just be in the playback right here when you set it is this into 1/4. And when you play it, it will be so much smoother. But as you can see, you would lose some quality just like that. And yeah, that would be the drawback of that. But if you're still experiencing lagging, or if you don't want to do this right here, you just want it to be full and still fix the lagging issue, then what I recommend is first, you want to find the part of your timeline that is lagging. So in my case, it will be right here when it's red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go put and mark out and mark in, or you can just press O in your keyboard for mark out, just like that. And for mark in, just like this, I can press I right here, I, and then just like that. Now we have the mark in and out points. So from here, we can render just this part so that we can have it rendered and it will be smooth. And you want to, after you place your mark in and out, you want to go into sequence right here, and then you want to go render effects into out right here, or render into out just like that. And now it would be rendered, and you just simply wait for it. As you can see, it's now green and it will now be smooth just like that. And yeah, that is basically how you can solve your lagging video playback on Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.